We 100 pipers in all, we 100 pipers in all, we'll up and give them applause. We 100 pipers in all. 2 seconds. Oh, hey, what are you doing here? Wait, no, I didn't mean for you to leave. I just didn't expect you to be out in the storm. Come in, you're soaked to the skin. Let me find you a towel and dry you off some. Christ, you're shaking. You should change. Here, you can borrow some joggies and a sweatshirt. They may not fit, but at least they're dry. I want those back, mind you. Not like those earrings you borrowed on a night out and somehow left in a taxi. Are you okay? You're really quiet. Okay. Go change. I'll make you some tea. There. Looks a little less like you went swimming with your clothes on. I'll pop your wet things on the radiator. Although, it'll take them a while to dry out. Here. Tea and a couple chocolate digestives. You need fuel when you've been out in the cold. Your body expends a ton of energy trying to keep itself warm. Would you like to maybe tell me why you were out in that weather? You know you're welcome here anytime and I'll love to see you, but the walk between your place and mine is not short, and that storm's pretty nasty. Hey, you don't look so good, and not just in a barely avoided hypothermia way. You know you can tell me anything, right? God knows I've done my fair share of venting in your direction. Hey. You're not really with it, are you? Whoa, what happened? What did I say? Why are you crying? Oh, come here. Shh, 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 shh. You're okay. You cry as much as you need to. You're safe here. You'll always be safe with me. Here, the rain's got your hair stuck to your face. Let me see. Where'd you get that cut on your cheek? Skin around it's starting to bruise. What do you mean it's your fault? What are you talking about? You caused what? An argument with who? Who was it? Who did this? You don't mean... I'll kill him. I'll fucking kill him. How dare he put his hands on you? Wait, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. It's okay. I'm not going anywhere. Look, there's no judgment here. If you want to talk about it, I'm listening. I'm so sorry this is happening to you. You must be so scared. Yes, I believe you. I know I've known him a long time, and I'm surprised at him, and I'm appalled at him. This can't have been easy for you to talk about. You should be so proud of yourself for having the courage to come to me. I know he's probably made you feel like this is something you've caused, like you need to earn the right to be treated with respect. I'm not going to be able to undo that in one evening. But I can start. Just a warning, I'm going to move. I'm going to kneel down here in front of you. Is it okay if I hold your hands? You don't have to look at me. Just listen. You are a kind, loving, beautiful person. You deserve to be treated with gentleness and warmth, especially by someone who claims to love you. You definitely don't deserve to be hurt. Nothing you could ever do could warrant that. No perceived slight can justify your partner hitting you. And definitely not hard enough to cause a cut like that. I promise you, you'll always have a place here where you can feel safe and protected. Cross my heart, hope to die. Do you want a hug or... Oh! I'll take that as a yes. I've got you. I've got you. I'm sorry if this is a hard question for you to answer, but I have to know. Is this the first time? I didn't think so. Your black eye last month? That wasn't an accident, was it? No, I'm not angry with you. Don't think that, not for a second. There's nothing for me to be angry about. You were scared. I understand why you kept this from me. You don't owe me the story, you don't owe me any explanation. I'm just here to listen if you want to talk it through. It's okay, you're okay. I know that startled you. What? How would he have found you here? He has your phone location. That makes sense. No, don't apologise. It's fine. What do you want to do? I'm not sure it'll work if we just ignore him. But I can go out and ask him to leave. We can call the police if we need to. You can even go home with him if you want to. I wouldn't be happy about it, but I won't force you to stay with me. Right now, you're in control. Want him to leave? I don't know if I'll be able to convince him you're not here, but I can still tell him to fuck off. You go sit yourself in the bathroom, okay? Sit in there and lock the door. Listen, it's unlikely, but if he does try anything with me, I need you to call the police, okay? I know that's frightening and it might be hard, but I'm trusting you to keep me safe. Okay, stay in there. I've got this. You could pretend to be all nicey nice if you want, but she's staying here tonight and you're going home. She's fine. She's warm and dry, she's had a hot drink and something to eat. You can't claim to be worried about her. She's being taken care of, so you can go home now. This is my home. I'm not above calling the police if you refuse to leave. You don't need to see her. Not tonight. She'll be home in the morning, if she wants to be. Hey, go home, cool off. Threatening me is only going to make things worse for you. If you show up here uninvited again, you'll be shouting at the police. He's gone. You can come out now. Oh, I'm okay. I'm okay. The hug is appreciated though. You don't need to thank me. Honestly, it's nice to get out some aggression. Yeah, of course you're staying here tonight. I'll make up a bed on the couch. Did you eat yet? In that case, late night pizza? Lactose intolerance or no lactose intolerance? I want mozzarella sticks and I'll deal with the consequences later. You don't need to make any decisions tonight about what you're doing long term. You don't need to make them tomorrow or this week or this month if it's not the right time. If you want to leave him, I'll help you. If you want to stay with him, I'll worry about you, but I won't judge you. If you want to take it to the police, I'll go with you. I can do some research. I'm sure there's websites and groups that can help. We can talk about all that in the morning. For tonight, let's just decompress. You're safe. And you're not alone.